Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is Sunday and
It's a vacation.
no, it's the weekend. um we're home today. It's raining outside, so I decided not to go to church, and I also woke up with crazy back pain, but I decided to do a massage, a long massage with my massage machine, and that get the job done. I am not feeling that intense pain that I woke up with this morning anymore after the massage, so that's good. Baby's sleeping in today, so he's still in bed. I am in the kitchen. Since I am doing okay, Tyler and I start off our morning with some music. And I am in the kitchen because I am heading straight into breakfast and dinner. One time killed it and get out of the kitchen for the day. Since I have the energy this morning, I'm just gonna do it. You can do it all by yourself. Wait until the TV come on before you turn on the box, okay? So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day in the week you guys are watching this video. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay humble, stay smiling. Make sure you get your workout in. Love you guys, and let's see what I am going to cook up for breakfast and dinner right now. So have a good day. Let go. Come say morning to the faves. Come, let us see you. Boing, who's that?
Dada.
What do you say to Fizz?
Morning, babe.
All right.
Mama,
Yes.
I want to make a dumpling.
I'm going to make dumpling today. So guess who is gonna help me?
Me.
Yeah. So you're gonna watch TV, and when I reach the dumpling part, I'll call you. Okay?
Okay.
That's fun.
I'm going to count to 10 and then I'm going to count.
No, I'm not gonna ready for you at the count of 10. When Mama call you, then you can come. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Go on. Go and watch TV.
So I'm going to count to 10 first.
No.
Yeah.
I won't be ready at the count of 10. You have to count a long time before I'll be ready for you, okay? Alright, guess what? Go watch TV and then we'll make dumpling after. How about that? Alright, go on. Boy, I love make dumpling.
I'm 30.
Go and watch TV. No counting.
130.
Anyway, you guys,
1,
let's...
2.
I already put on some rice in my rice cooker over here, so that's just about starting to cook. So let's push that in. That's gonna be for dinner. but you're right. You're absolutely right.
Who could do that?
You and Mama. So you guys, cooking is kind of finished for me for today in this kitchen. I had breakfast, I'm full, and now I am going to make this cornbread that my girl Shan sent me. So let's do this. It says I want 2/3 cups of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and I want 1 egg and the cake mix. Let's put in our milk, and we want 2/3 milk. Okay, milk 2/3. So we're gonna go.
Mommy, I want to drink.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, throw it in the pan. One more time. Hold it again. Throw it in the pan. Voila. Okay, and now we want 1/3 vegetable oil. Hold it. The same one. Throw it in there. Bravo. And now here we're gonna put the egg in. Okay. Voila, mix it, all of it. Mix, 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 mix. Come, we're gonna throw this in there.
This card.
This is the cornbread mix. That's what happened when you're in the kitchen, honey. You get messed up. Wait. I think I put too big of a pan. I need to change the pan to a smaller pan. Oh, I can see all that cornmeal. Honey, can you come and give me the other long pan, please?
The one that looks like the one you have? Is it the one?
Yeah, put some butter in it and grease it. See butter here, right here, so. See paper towel here? You use that, scoop up the butter and rub it all around the pan.
I like this one.
Do you like this one? It looks so good.
Can I taste it?
Wait, you soon get to taste it. Let's finish mixing it out first. It looks good, don't it, Dad?
Yeah. Can you taste it?
Yes, you can taste it. Just a little. Stick your finger in it. Okay. It's yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, no more because it's raw cornmeal. Don't want your stomach to hurt. Finish, babe?
Yeah.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah, that's fine. Good job. Yeah, we're gonna throw it in this one.
Yeah.
So we're gonna all eat cornbread for the first time together. Ready?
Yes.
Alright. What, you wanna scrape it with a spoon for Mama?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do
What do
it.
you mean?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, it looks so good.
If that the time.
Now we're gonna bakey.
Hey.
No, Mama alone goes to the oven, okay? And we're gonna bake for how long? 25 minutes. Let's see how that goes first. So let's put it on 25 minutes. Like that and go.
Mama, look at the time.
Okay. Alright, step away from the oven. Out of the kitchen. When it's almost ready, you can come back and check it, okay? Come in. Okay, let's check on our cornbread to see if it's ready. Whoa, Ty.
It's not yet ready.
No, it's not yet ready. I think it's gonna need about 5 more minutes.
It's one.
Yeah, but Mama gonna add some more minutes to it. 5 more. Okay, look, you see the stick is wet? When the stick is wet like this, it's not ready, okay? But it's so ready, okay? Alright, you guys, that's the outcome of our cornbread. Tyler, who's gonna eat the first piece? Who? You! Alright, let's go. It's hot though. Looks so nice. And then it's me.
It's not all of it.
Look at that.
It's not
Oh,
all of
glory.
It's not all of it.
That looks good, shorty.
We're not going to eat all of it.
No, we're not gonna eat all of
We're
it.
just going to leave
You
some
ready?
for Papa.
Yes, ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a piece. Come,
Mommy,
Yummy. Alright.
now you.
Now my turn. Now it's my turn to taste cornbread for the first time. Let's see. Okay, cool. I'm trying to see what it tastes like. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's good.
I know what it is like.
Tangshan,
Huh?
just gonna finish the end.
I know what it is like.
What it tastes like?
It's a pizza chocolate cake.
Really? You want a piece more?
Yes.
Bite it. What kind of small bite that you, rabbit?
Huh?
Big bite. Big bite. You rabbit. Well, trying cornbread. Swipe off my list. Done. One piece more? One more? Oh! Honey? Well, baby's not in the kitchen, so he's missing out. He'll come and try it when he gets in the kitchen. What you say?
Baby girl wants some.
Baby girl wants some?
Yeah.
That's why Mama eating it to give her some.
Yes. I'm gonna give you her some.
She already eating, look. But Mama eat it, it go down and down and down, and then she get it here. She get it here.
You get it here.
Yeah. I can see you under my stomach.
brother.
Big brother.
So it says, I'm a big brother.
Exactly. Are you a big brother?
Yes.
To who?
To baby sister.
Yes. He's obsessed with his big brother book. Alright, let's read. Our new baby arrived today. I'm a big brother now. Hooray! I used to be a little baby too. But now I'm big. Look what I can do. I can help when baby feeds. I always find what baby needs. Dirty diaper?
Yeah.
Let's see. Here's a clean one found by
Me.
Yay! Mommy and Daddy says I'm clever and that I am the best big brother ever. When we cuddle the baby wiggle, give a tickle, baby giggle. Splish, splash, bath is lots of fun. Bubbles washing and then we're done. But if baby wakes with cranky noise, I softly sing a lullaby. What you gonna sing, baby, if she wake and crying?
Don't sleep, 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 sleep. Go to sleep and go to sleep.
That's cute. And as baby grow, we'll play together because I'm the best big brother forever. Mommy, Daddy, baby, me. We love each other. A family. Who's that? Who is in the picture?
Mommy.
Who is in the picture?
Mommy, Daddy, baby.
And where are you?
And then me.
Yeah. You're gonna be the best big brother
And then
ever.
we go to make a sense out that goes to. Ah, 57, 58, 50, 40. I think it's gonna die.
No, it's not gonna die.
No, because look at the time.
Yeah, but it's not gonna die. Goes to Sharma Campbell.
Sharma Campbell. What's Sharma Campbell?
Her. And Alet Nish.
Alet Nish. Who's Alet Nish?
Alet.
Alet.
Right. So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
See you guys.
Tomorrow.
Bloing, bloing.
He comes to kiss me with his wet feet.
You're so funny. Ow, you're squeezing my neck too hard. Die. Oh my god. Give me a kiss. Gonna say. I love you.
I am Cindy.
Alright, go to bed, silly. You're squeezing my neck. Alright, go now. Okay.
Your turn.
To squeeze your neck?
Yeah.
You're hilarious. No, Mama won't squeeze you.
Squeeze my neck.
No, that's not safe. But I'll do this.
Mama.
You're drooling on me! Alright, see you in the morning. Oh, one more! Alright, finish now. Alright, thank you for all the love. Come, tomorrow is the last day with Pewet. Go.
With school?
No, you're gonna carry him back on Tuesday.
With today, what
Tomorrow
time
is Monday.
What time is it?
What time is it now?
Yes.
9 o'clock. Run along to bed. Go,
Papa,
go, go.